The Jeddah Corniche, also known as the Jeddah Waterfront, JW, is a 30 km coastal resort area of the city of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Located along the Red Sea, the Corniche features a coastal road, recreation areas, pavilions and large-scale civic sculptures as well as King Fahd's Fountain, the highest fountain in the world. Also located here is the Al Rahma Mosque, formerly known as the Fatima Mosque, which is a popular attraction to visitors. The Jeddah Corniche derives its name from the original French and Italian term for a coastal road, especially a road along the face of a cliff. In November 2017, the waterfront was inaugurated for visitors with the goal of being a tourist attraction in the city. It was launched as a response to a royal decree with the aim of improving the public facilities of the city of Jeddah. The established area is equipped with many facilities including restaurants, retail outlets, hotels, aquarium, cultural center, water dancing fountain, blossoming gardens and fountains. The area that can accommodate 120,000 people and has a parking lot for 3,000 cars is also equipped with many facilities including 100 bathrooms, restaurants, retail outlets, hotels, aquarium, cultural center, water dancing fountain, blossoming gardens, fountains, kiosks, phone charging stations, children's play parks, beaches and facilities for people with disabilities. Citation needed. Jeddah Waterfront is organized in a way that makes it suitable and enjoyable for people of different ages and interests. It is divided into a number of areas. Some of them are allocated for children to play safely and others are designed for athletes and those who want to exercise outdoors. Moreover, Jeddah Waterfront has 3 sandy beaches where people can swim and enjoy the warm sun of Jeddah. There are also many spots that are planted with grass where families and friends can meet. People can also use the 25 huts scattered in different spots. The 3 sandy beaches designed for swimmers are fronted with man-made islands that are given the shape of a crescent moon and planted with palm trees. A man-made island formed in the shape of a crescent moon has been planted with dozens of palm trees. Jeddah Waterfront is also equipped with 100 surveillance cameras as well as Wi-Fi service. The Jeddah Corniche circuit, which hosted the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix on December 5, 2021, is located here. There were plans to move the race to Jeddah by 2023. However, it was confirmed that the race would stay in Jeddah instead of going to Jeddah as previously planned.